So good morning everybody. It's from Jay Sri, Department of Biomedical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. I'm going to take the number systems. Our number system is nothing but it is one of the it plays a major role in digital electronics. Without this number, we cannot identify what is going on inside. That is what here number system. So let us see what are the types of numbers in detail. So there are many different types of number: decimal number, binary number, octal number, hexa number, and BCD number, etc. So let us see one by one in detail. So let us see what do you mean by decimal number system. Decimal number system is a number system we use every day and use digits from 0 to 9. Only the specific digits from 0 to 9 it is said to be the decimal number system. If any number is represented without a base 10, it means the number is without, it means that it automatically calculates as a base 8. That is what here decimal number system, it's automatically it is represented by this number as a base 10. Next one, binary number system. Binary describes the only two possible outcomes, either 0 or 1. There are only two possible conditions for this binary number system. This is what this 0 and 1. A bit is the smallest unit of data on a computer, and each bit has a single value of either 1 or 0. Next one is what octal number. A number system which has its base 8 is called octal number system. It uses the numbers from 0 to 7. Let us take an example to understand the concept. This is what the octal number system 0 to 7. Next one, hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number describes the base 16 to the number system. That is, it describes the numbering system containing 16 sequential numbers as a base units and before adding a new position for the next number. The two hexadecimal digits can represent either binary digits or a byte. Next one is what? How to convert from decimal number to a binary system or binary to a decimal. So let us see in detail. Let us take an example of decimal number 17. If the number base is not given, it's automatically represented by to the base 10, right? So here we have to convert decimal number to binary conversion. That is what here we are going to do the decimal number which is divided by 2. The first case is what? If 8 divided by 2 is, that is 17 divided by 2 is what? 8 2s are 16 and balance is 1 which is represented by 1. 1 over that. Okay, and again if it is divided by 2 and 4 2s are 8, the remainder is 0 which is indicated by 0. And similarly again it is divided by 2, there are again 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 0, again it is represented by this 0. And if it is divided by 2, 1 2s are 2, and finally it teaches finally we can see that what do you mean by binary number? There are only two possible combinations, right? 0 or 1. That is what here binary number is converted from the decimal number which is represented by 1001. So we can write the answer from bottom to top. That is what is decimal to binary conversion. Have you cleared this? Decimal number is what? To the base 10. If the base 10 is it is not given, it's automatically represented by this base 10. And if you want to convert this decimal number to binary, we have to divide each digit by 2. Next one case is what? The vice versa, binary to decimal conversion. So let us see these examples. What do you mean by binary number? Only zeros and ones which is present in this digits is was binary number 1010. We have to convert this to decimal number. That is what here. Take from the right end. Right end, okay, 1010. What is your right end? 0. And what is your left end? 1. You have to give the powers for 0 cross 2 power 0. If it is a right end, it starts from 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, right? So here 0 into 2 power 0. So anything multiplies 0 is what? 0. Okay. And 0 plus. And 1 into 2 power 1 is what? 2. Right? 2 power 1 is what? 2. into 1 is what? 2. And 0 into 2 square is what? 0. And 1 into 2 cube is what? 8. So totally there are only two values, right? The leftmost one and the rightmost the second digit. So totally it gives the 8 plus 2 is what? 10. This is what the decimal equivalent. Okay, let us see this decimal to octal conversion. What do you mean by decimal number? If it is automatically to the base 10, it is what the decimal conversion. If it is octal conversion, we have to divide each digit by 8. Okay, we have to write the remainder by 3. So what is it? What do you mean by octal number, which we already seen is what? 0 to 7 only. This is what octal number, right? The number starts from 0 and end at the 7. Okay, that is what the octal number. So we have to divide by 8, and the remainder is represented by the right corner, and finally we get the result from bottom to top. This is what this decimal to octal conversion. Next one is what? Octal to hexa conversion. What do you mean by octal number? It's 0 to 7, right? 0 to 7, if it is a total, it is given by 111, 101, 010. We have to separate each digit by 4. So from the right end, we have to separate 1010. This is what? 9. And in the middle, 1110, that is what represented by D. And the left end, there is 1 only here. We have to append 3 zeros. So finally, we got the number 1D9. This is what this octal to hexa conversion. Okay, this is what this octal to we have seen the three conversions, right? Decimal to binary, and binary to decimal, decimal to octal, and then octal to hexa. So let us see the more conversion in this next class. Thank you all.